Good afternoon, everyone. This is Spatial from 40H International Marketing Team, and I am your host for today's global webinar series. First, please allow me to thank you all for taking the time to attend our webinar. And today we will be discussing the topic on spatial computing plus vision language model, and we will be showing our real-world cases in AEC and real estate industries. And I believe that this webinar serves as a great platform for us to connect and seek for future cooperation opportunities. And before we start today's sharing session, I will be sharing our company's profile as well as our 4D Kankan series product first. And do feel free to follow us for the latest updates by scanning the QR code here to follow our linking page, or you can just check the links we provided in the chat box. And here is today's agenda. First, I will be talking about what we are and what we make, and then Ark will join us for sharing the case and solutions. And in the end, there will be a Q&A part. You can feel free to raise any questions you pop up with, and maybe leave it in the chat box is also okay. And let's just start with who we are. We are 40H. We were founded in 2014, a leading spatial intelligence tech enterprise. We independently develop full spectrum multimodal 3D scanning hardware and also self-built spatial AI models with our headquarters located in Beijing and Zhuhai City in the Greater Bay Area in China. If you plan to visit us, you can check our spots in Beijing and also Zhuhai. And we deliver end-to-end spatial digitization solutions covering patent hardware, cloud platforms, and vertical services for cultural heritage, AEC, smart cities, and also real estate industries. And our flagship 4D Kankan series products now serves clients and partners across over 40 countries and areas worldwide. We've built technical credibility over the years with 108 authorized patents, 223 copyrighted software programs, and 73 top-tier domestic and international industry awards. And now let's have a look at our milestones. In 2014, our company was founded with core spatial capture technology. And from 2015 to 2016, we broke ground in cultural heritage digitization and built a fully digital Han Dynasty historic museum for relic holographic preservation. From 2018 to 2019, we stepped onto the global stage, debuted our 4D Kankan Pro, and presented at Germany's International Museum Congress. From 2021 to 2022, we launched our 4D Kankan Minion, the panoramic camera, and also 4D Kankan Mega, our flagship scanner, partnered with China Air Show and created the Cloud Air Show during the pandemic time. In 2023, we released our 4D Kankan Meta, setting a new industry benchmark balancing precision and mobility. In 2024, we expanded our APAC operations, delivering landmark digital archaeology projects in Japan and Thailand. In 2025, we launched our 4D Kankan MOVA, and also we won the ICON International Award again. We have won this award for 4 times. And this year, we customized our 4D Kankan MOVA for mining operations and expanding our vertical industry ecosystem. And here are some of the patents and copyrights and also the international and national awards we have gained during the years. And next, I would like to talk a little bit about our brand, 4D Kankan, and with the mission of let space tell the story. First, the word kan draws from the Chinese word kan, which means see and real. which shows our promise to help you see the world better in full spatial detail. And also, it echoes with the English word can, which means we wanted to embody our mission to empower you to unlock the full potential of any space, and finally realize our company's vision and mission in digital everything. And here is about our 4D CanCan series products. First, our 4D CanCan MOVA and MOVA Pro, the handheld 3D LiDAR scanner, which lives fully up to its slogan, mobile, optimal, versatile, and authorized for harsh on-site operations. First, its core performance, the industry-leading 5mm point cloud precision, engineered to capture sharp, reliable spatial data across rugged, complex sites where traditional scanners struggle. And the biggest differentiator is its fully modular plug-in ecosystem. We have multiple swappable dedicated modules, which unlocks extra scanning functions. Best of all, it supports simultaneous dual capture. You can run full-site spatial digitization and specialized module scanning at the same time. That eliminates repeated site passes, drastically scanning at a cutting field labor hours. And we are also actively developing more plugins to expand its functionality long-term. And also, you can see that it is lightweight. You can use only one personnel for one-hand operation. And optimal here means the point cloud accuracy. And versatile is about the swappable plugins. And authorized means it is a trustworthy one. Next one, about our 4D CanCan meta. Defined by the slogan, dual ways to explore, dual gains to record. This is our hybrid all-in-one scanner that merges two complete capture modes into one single unit. Variable SLAM scanning for dynamic on-foot mapping and tripod-mounted terrestrial laser scanning for stationary high-fidelity surveys. As our slogan shows, you get two deliverables from one capture session. Accurate, dense point clouds plus 16K Ultra HD panoramic imagery, delivering a complete visual and geometric spatial record for every project. And also, our Meta supports a full suite of interchangeable plugins like the RTK, thermal sensors, multispectral cameras, and field lights. Swap modules on-site without switching devices, expanding its use cases from infrastructure inspection to environmental monitoring. And here is a video showing our Meta and MOVA with a robot dog. Let's watch it again together. We call it the robot dog patrol mode, which means you can use a robot dog to with our product attached to it in different scenarios, like the outdoor inspection. The robot dog can, this is for with our MOVA Pro. It is automatic, stable, and efficient, flexible turning for complex passes, and smoothly descend and climb the stairs. And here are the results from Meta, the panoramic and also the point cloud. This is from MOVA. Next is our 4D CanCan Minion. This is a professional-grade 360-degree panoramic camera engineered for crisp lifelike spatial visualization with native support for 8 to 16K high-definition outputs. Like our slogan of it, it is simple to capture and powerful to share. The operation couldn't be more simpler. Just one full 300-degree rotation generates seamless, distortion-free panoramas in minutes, cutting out complicated setup and time-consuming post-production editing. And also the upgraded sensor delivers sharp details and natural balanced color reproduction even under tricky indoor and low light conditions. And next is our 40 Mega, the top tier, most advanced reality capture device. This is the professional choice for like major group corporations with large-scale industrial, urban, and infrastructure projects. What makes it professional? It has 3 high-speed LiDAR sensors generating 300,000 point cloud data points per second to capture every fine detail of massive complex environments with unmatched geometric accuracy. And also, it has a 16K panoramic lens to capture the panoramic image. So if you are looking for the most professional one, Mega is your choice. That wraps up our quick overview of who we are and what we make. Now it's time for our core session today. Our speaker will dive deep into the core technology, spatial computing paired with vision language model, and how we deliver all-in-one spatial interpretation solutions for the AEC and real estate sectors. Now please welcome our honored speaker of today, Ark Han, overseas channel expert from our global business team. Take it away, Ark.
Okay, thank you. Hello, everyone. Welcome and thank you for joining our second 40H Global webinar. I'm your another host today, and my name is Ark Han. Okay, then let us our webinar today. Today, we are not just talking about the traditional 3D scanning. Instead, we want to look at something more advanced, the combination of the spatial computing and vision language models. The real estate and AEC industry are facing new challenges today. We need better efficiency. And our goal today is to show you how to make physical space understandable and turn spatial data into the real business value. To help you easily understand this technology, we have divided today's webinar into 3 main parts. The first part is we'll look at the real estate. We'll see how VLM driving AI turns simple virtual tools into smart data and show our real-world work in France and Thailand. The second part is we will focus on AEC industries. We'll talk about tracking construction progress and how spatial computing helps different teams work together easily. The last part is we will explore historical building preservation. We'll show how our technology helps fund structural risk and damage with millimeter accuracy. And in the end, we'll have the Q&A section for openly discuss. Let us start with our first topic, VLM driving and spatial parenting. In the past, real estate digital tools were just a simple VR tours or panoramic photos. But today, the market is changing fast. Customers take longer to buy the house, and simple photos are no longer enough. We need better solution. A digital twin then can actually tell us what is inside the space. Today, real estate agency or the property manager face 3 big challenges. First, low conversion rate. Traditional 2D photos or basic VR tours cannot show the real details. How can we build deep trust before the customers even visit the house? High accuracy 3D tours are the key to closing the deal faster. Secondly, tough competition. When every agency uses the same old marketing tools using 3D digital twins, give your brand a unique advantage. Third, high cost. For the long time, getting a high-quality 3D models mean paying for expensive equipment and professional 3D artists. Can we get highly quality 3D models and marketing tools for the price of simple 2D photography? Let's see how our technology solves this. To solve these problems, we made a very simple and automated workflow. Step 1, easy scanning. You do not need to be an expert. Anyone can walk through the room and capture data easily. Step 2, AI 3D modeling. Our cloud AI automatically turns the captured data into the 3D models. Step 3, automatic floor plans. The system reads the data and automatically creates a 2D floor plan with 1 centimeter accuracy, processing the exact size and the area of the room. Step 4, smart object recognition. Using our AI model, the system automatically finds the least the object in the room, like the furniture and the equipment. In the end, you will get a full package, 3D models, precise floor plan, and the access list. To make this technology easy to use anywhere, we put it into the mobile phone app. Look at this real interface. While you are scanning the room, the app works in the background. It does not just take photos. It creates depth maps and identifies objects at the same time. For example, in the complex equipment room, the app can instantly draw the top and down outline of the machine and label them. This saves a lot of time on site. Here is a closer look at the real equipment room project. In this image, the system did not just draw a walls, it also used AI to find and label important safety items, like light switches and fire extinguishers. This means our digital tools are no longer just for looking. They now give you real useful data about your physical assets. When you need to manage many properties at the same time, these AI tools become extremely powerful. What you see here are the result of our AI processing different apartment types automatically. No matter how complex the rooms are, the AI can instantly find the doors, windows, beds, sofas, and other furniture, and draw the 3D box around them. This makes managing large numbers of the property very fast and easy. The data we create automatically is also very flexible and can be used in other industries. This is the precise floor plan made by our system. Using our easy editor, you can make a standard real estate floor plan or use it for another field, like a public safety or a crime scene investigation. User can easily add a special sign like a fire source or the footprint on the map and export the officially report instantly. We also support AI automatic object recognition, which is undoubtedly and highly practical tool for the real estate market. Interior designer can leverage this feature for space planning, and it can be even utilized the asset management. And here's the video for your reference. As you can see, our system can automatically label the furniture and make a box on it. When your 3D models are ready and labeled, they become powerful tools for selling house. We give buyer an amazing high-quality 3D virtual walkthrough, but we do more than that. The system also supports AI voice guides, video tours, and live streaming tours inside the 3D space. So which means the buyer don't need to go to the house by themselves. They just can watch the house online. The real estate agent can walk through the house with the buyer online at the same time. They can show the rooms and use the AI labels to tell the buyers the exact materials or the size of the furniture. This makes the buying a house online much easier and faster. The true value of this technology is helping your business grow. It helps you attract the best real estate agent because the top talent love advanced tools. It also helps you win exclusive property listing because homeowners are impressed by this complete 3D marketing plan. This solution is already working well around the world in European. Our partner Wherefore Group in France, a leading group focused on the research, innovation, and technology growing, is helping us bring the 3D digital twins to the European luxury property market. In the South Asia, another development, one of the Thailand top public real estate company is using our 4D Kankan technology in their premium projects. And here is the video and the real world work in the Thailand market. And also you can follow this link to check our reality world performance. Like Airtel Rama 9 to give their clients a modern high-tech experience. And now let us move for finished building to the very beginning, AEC and construction sites. Construction sites are always difficult to manage. Unclear progress, missing data or hiding pipes, and difference between design drawing and actual building often cause high costs and project delays. Let's see how spatial computing can solve this problem on site. On a busy construction site, scanning must be three things: fast, accurate, and simple. We built a very easy workflow just for this. After taking photo on site with your mobile phone device, the system automatically processes the data either offline or online. The data is then saved securely on the 40H cloud or your local laptop or PC. Your team member can view the site from anywhere, whether they are in the office or traveling. Also, you can export standard industry format like point cloud, the last PLI or E57, the 3D models, OBJ format, and clear panoramas, JPG formats to use in your BIM software. Let's talk about the different files you can get from our system. To make the teamwork easier, we support many command file formats. You can get a 70K ultra clear panoramas for the daily checks, or highly accurate large PLY and E57 point cloud for engineering measurement. The system also creates 2D to DXF CAD drawing automatically. One single scan can safety your marketing team, engineer team, and the server at the same time. In the real project management, the system gives us the power of the 4D construction management by adding time to 3D space. The manager can walk the site and easily capture the one-on-one digital twins. The system automatically matches these 3D views with your construction during the BIM models. By comparing the different days, like the last week versus this week, or the real site versus the original BIM design, you can find the mistake very quickly. This saves the travel costs, reduce the argument between the team members, and make the delivering final project data much simpler. Our company 40H has developed a range of the functions specifically tailored to the needs of the construction industry, such as the real-time on-site scanning, mapping, and the earthwork volume calculation, and so on. We have developed a high precision surveying and mapping functional tailored for the AEC sector. We deliver solutions that cater to refine the industry requirements, including to the orthogonal plan instruction and the elevation view generation. This is one of our sample in our Japan customers. For the engineering test and the near high currency, we developed a special measurement model. When digging the foundation, the system can do quick scan, quick top and down of orthophotos, and make elevation map. More importantly, you can scan the area of the skin. The system will automatically calculate the volume of the soil or rocks. We call it the earthwork calculation, giving you the accurate measurements report instantly. This turns the multi-day engineering task into the matter of hours. And here is our interface to show how to use the earthwork function. It's very to use. You just select the area which you want to calculate, then our algorithm and system will automatically calculate the value. It was a lot of the time for the engineer, and they don't need to go to the on-site every day. They just need to scan one time and calculate the data on their office. And also, we support to download the data, and the system will automatically to issue the report for your management. Here is how it looks on the platform. During the construction phase, we use split screen tools showing the last wave progress on the left and this way on the right. So any problems are very easy to see. During the design or bidding the phase, we have a renovation proof tools. This allows designer or the owner to see the new decoration ideas inside the 3D models before spending money on the real construction. Our construction tools are also used widely by international partners. A great example is our partner in Japan. The company name is the Geosign. They are the well-known company focusing on the ground inspection, house quality, and the house quality checks and business workflow software. The integrated 4D Kankan Meta 3D point cloud data directly into their architectural, survey, and BIM workflow. Japan has very strict rules for the construction qualities, and Geosci has proven that our simple, high-accuracy data helps local companies save time and work much smarter. And this is the example that our Japanese agent is for Kankan Meta scan the we can see performance is very good. And as we said before, you can export the format and use the print cloud file and add it in the other software. Also, in order to solve the different environments, we have other as the RDK, fuel light, and the thermal. So this is a very important plugin for the construction customers because sometimes they need to buy the equipment separately. But for our company product, or then you just need to buy the one camera and combine with the different plugin. They will save a lot of the cost for your company. Now, let us into our final and most important part, the historical building preservation and the risk assessment. The old buildings are priceless, but they are easily damaged by weather, align, and the structure movement. Traditional inspection methods are no longer enough to protect them. We need special data to keep them safe. Around the world, heritage management teams face three major problems. The first, slow and subjective check. Traditional inspection rely completely on the human eyes. It takes a long time and different experts might give you different opinions. Even worse, small structural problems inside the walls cannot be seen, causing to miss the best time to fix them. Second, a lack of the clear data without the exact measurement and continuous tracking data. Repairs are often based on the guesswork. This leads to waste budget and the poor protection result. The final is information loss. In the past, old building records were kept in the paper notebook or the old computer files. They did not work together, making it harder to see how building changed over many years. To solve this hard problem, we create a new historical building risk assessment system based on three pillars. High accuracy will combine millimeter level 3D scanning with the trained AI to find the small wall cracks and damage, achieving the automatic AI finding accuracy rate of over 90%. Dynamic tracking. The system can compare scans from different years to calculate exactly how fast a wall is tilting or healing over time. Completely management. From scanning and AI analyze to expert checks the final automated report. The system creates a full lifelong healthy record for all buildings. To make this system work smoothly, our software platform is divided into six easy-to-use modules. We have the inspection module for the daily check, the damage analyze module to study cracks, and the data integration module to bring different files together, along with our monitoring, visual plan, visual display, and the data storage module. They create a strong foundation for saving historical sites. Saving old buildings need more than just software. Sometimes simple camera cannot see the hidden dangers. That is why we use a flexible hardware system. On our main device, you can easily attach the LiDAR laser scanner and RDK module for centimeter level map positioning, or the thermal module for temperature check. Combining these different plugins allow you to see what simple camera miss. Let's look at the real example for checking the building without damage. For all wooden buildings, hidden water leaks inside the structure and dangerous because they are root the wood. By using a thermal image module, the system can catch the small temperature difference caused by the hidden moisture. You can see the water pass and leaks clearly on the screen. This allows experts to fix the leak before the wood rots, without breaking open the historical walls. Insects like termites are another major danger for the old wooden structure. In this case, we also use the thermal technology to find the insect activity inside the wood without breaking it. Because terminates living together create a small amount of heat, or because hollow wood holds heat differently. The system can show these hollow spots clearly on the screen. This helps the expert treat insect problem earlier and accurately. Besides the small detail, the system is excellent to finding a large structure movement. For all unmaintained properties, wheelchairs or the large cracks can cause the building to collapse. Our declination tools with the millimeter level up to calculate the exact how much a bomb is tilting or how wide a crack is, sending our warning before the disaster happens. As you can see, the picture is tilting. So if we can scan it before, then the system will automatically warn us before the disaster happen. Then you will help us or help the government to save a lot of cost to protect the buildings. Of course, for historical preservation, we do not leave everything to AI. We believe in human AI teamwork. The AI scans hundreds of data points quickly to find the potential cracks and the faulty first. Then human expert can check the AI works on the screen correctly any mistakes and add their professional notes. This saves 80% of the expert boarding manual work time while keeping the final result 100% professional and trustworthy. And here are two real examples of our system at work. In this video is a former residence. For this traditional brick and wood house, the system automatically found the market where the bricks were peeling off. In this video is a traditional ancestral hall with the historical wood carvings. The system focuses on the tracking cracks in the heavy wooden roof pillars, creating the perfect healthy diary for this beautiful moment. This is the list to warn the expert what is hitting this building. For the wood, for the water, or the temperature is too high or too low, and the planet and the insect. And finally, let us look at the highest level of our spatial technology, automatic risk reports generated by the VLM. After scanning and checking the building, the system uses our VLM AI models. The AI understands the relation between the 3D space, photos, and measurement, and it can automatically write a professional risk report in clearly English. The report including the damage chart, exam measurement, and the professional advice on how to fix the building. This turns the simple data into real actionable knowledge. And this is all the content for today's webinar. And thank you, everyone. Today we'll cover automatic property list for the real estate, for the progress tracking for the construction, and current 3D mapping for the historical building. Technology is a tool, it's a real job to make understanding physical space cheaper and faster for everyone. Now, and we will start our Q&A section. Please feel free to ask any question about our technology channel partners progress or specific industry use. Thank you.